Welcome back again to Princess Diaries. So for today's video, I am going to do a very simple Valentine eye makeup look. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I have a powder, contour, para mas mabilis na lang tayo sa eye makeup look. Lagi ko na lang sa description box para mabilisan tayo, para concentrate lang tayo sa eye makeup. Okay, so to give you an idea, mga products na gagamitin ko for today's video ay yung mga products rin na ginamit ko from my previous makeup video. If you want to watch it, I did a full makeup look using the Berries BYS eyeshadow palette. It will be the same. Wala tayong any variation na eye makeup na gagawin. But we'll try to use the same palette para sa theme natin ngayon na Valentine look. Yung challenge lang natin ngayon sa video nito is yung eyeshadow palette natin. Kasi since wala tayong pink na shade sa palette natin, i-utilize tayo ng ibang eyeshadow palette. Actually, dito sa NYX na contour palette, actually meron na dito mga shade na to, but it's still dark. And yung blush on na to, ganda sana siyang color. Kaso, may shimmer siya. Hindi rin siya makikita sa mata ko. Yung gagamitin natin. So, I have here an EB Advanced Blush 2 in the shade Big Fig. Ito, pwede ko siyang gamitin na eyeshadow since wala siyang shimmer. Ganda rin itong eyeshadow. Doesn't mean na blush siya. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng gamitin sa eye makeup look. That's the beauty of makeup. Okay, let's start. Sa first shade, itong peachy. Lighter muna tayo. I don't like about the berries na eyeshadow. Medyo, siya, powdery. So, kung isa-swatch natin siya, okay naman. Kita naman siya, but yun na, masyado siyang powdery. Apply that dito sa outer crease natin as base ng eye makeup. Is yung sundown na shade. Is ito. This one. Technique para hindi siya magmukhang OA, just blend it in and out hanggang sa makuha mo yung desired na shade na gusto mo. So we're going light on that part. The next part is dun sa crease line natin. I'm just using this eye makeup brush for favorite ko. Everyday ko siya ginagamit. We'll be using na yung isang pink na shadow natin, which is yung blush ng EB Advanced. Ito. And then, i-apply natin siya sa crease line natin. And then, down here, para mag-create siya ng outer V. Ayan. So, makita mo yung illusion na. So, actually, it's good na ito yung ginamit natin. Na-achieve natin yung shade na gusto natin. Medyo hindi kita sa camera yung una natin na shade na nilagay. What we'll do, after applying that shade, kuha lang tayo ng blending brush para so, ganda dapat clean siya na brush. So, ayan. So, tapos na tayo sa other. So, I'm just going to do the other side para pantay na siya. And then, we'll proceed sa next step. Okay, so for the next shade, going to get this cherry bomb berries shade. So, ito. So, gagamitin na lang natin siya. Kasi since yung eyes ko medyo droopy on this part of my eyes, yung sa outside part ko, para lumalim siya tingnan, use dark shade. And then, we'll just apply it on the outer V. No. Eyes natin. So, I use the same technique for every eye makeup look. Mapa-work ako or lalabas sa labas. But I use different eyeshadow na color. Pero same technique applies. So, ayan. So, you can see na meron na tayong outer V. And shade. So, again, I'm gonna extend it until sa inner eyelids ko. Pero, concentrated dito sa edge. So, ayan. So, you can see the difference. So, medyo darker na yung sa kabila. Yan yung eye makeup look natin. It will be simple, but yun nga, since usually we do have a Valentine's dinner, so at least okay rin siya sa gabi. We'll do the same on the other side. The same process. We get the clean brush and then brush it out yung mga harsh lines para mag-blend sa ibang color. So, ang next step natin will be the inner eyelids natin. Ito, sa center. Again, I'm just going to use a concealer and then filling in the inner part. Ang ganito. So, parang gagawa tayo ng illusion ng cut crease. Yung hindi masyadong define na cut crease. On the other side. So, I'm actually doing that concealer na part para dumikit yung inner natin. Since yung gagamitin natin na eyeshadow at the center will be yung may shimmer. So, para mas kumapit. Since wala akong super glittery na part. So, eto para lang maging glowy yung eyes natin. Para hindi siya ganun ka-matte. So, meron tayong ilalagay na shimmer at the center. Brush na pang eyeshadow. And then, what I'm going to use is yung glow. Itong glow. Again, i-blend lang rin natin. Finish yung mukhang car. Same as on the other side. Ita-touch up natin yung outer V natin. First, sa inner corners, center part. Again, blend it in. And then again, blend it. Shade sa ilalim is yung baked fig natin. So, ito yung itong part para hindi siya ganun ka-harsh sa ilalim. Though, pwede naman natin gamitin yung cherry bomb na shade. Pero it will be too dark na. So, okay na siya yung nasa taas lang siya. And then, i-connect natin siya sa outer V. We're done now with our eyeshadow. So, we'll proceed to applying our liquid eyeliner. It takes practice. So, since I use it every day, natuto na rin ako. So, hindi naman, since nung una kong gumamit nito, perfect na. Hindi. As time goes by, nag-iiba-iba rin way ng paglagay ko. And, dun ko na rin figure out kung ano yung best way na i-apply siya. Again, practice makes perfect. Pointed yung tip niya, but hindi siya ganun ka-tigas at hindi rin ganun kalambot. May control lako if I use this. So, you can see, nag-start ako sa center, outwards. So, stay as close as possible para ma-adjust nyo yung thickness ng eyeliner na gusto nyo. So, as you can see, I usually do the wing eyeliner. Pwede nyo naman siyang gawin ng walang wing. For my style, may wing. And then, I go for the inner part. We'll proceed sa eyelashes natin. So, I have here the Hyper Curl Volume Express from Maybelline. Have to curl our eyelashes. So, I'm using the Nichida na eyelash curler. Already have the mascara. For the neck, I have to blush on na tayo. So, medyo malulubat na siya. So, mag-apply na tayo ng N1X or NYX Ombre Blush. So, ito yung shade niya. So, ayan. So, may kasama na siyang highlight. Mag-apply lang tayo sa cheeks. For the lipstick, so I'm just using the lip tint kasi parang I've tried different shades ng lipstick since limited lang yung lipstick ko. Let's try the lipstick. So I think that's it. This is a final Valentine simple makeup look. Products I use is basically yung every girls out there na meron. So I just use lip tint para hindi na ma-overpower yung eyeshadow natin. So this eyeshadow makeup, I think it can pull it off during nighttime. Medyo may dark shade siya. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope I have shared something useful in you, and bear with me guys, it's the first time I'm making this video na nagsasalita in front of the camera. I've been struggling with the noises outside, so ulit-ulit din ako nagre-record. I hope you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to click the notification bell button for you to notify every time I upload a new video. I hope I can see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. This is again Princess Diaries. Have a good day.